Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Kidde 10Y29 smoke alarm. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The Kidde 10Y29 is an optical smoke alarm with a 10-year sealed long-life lithium battery. The detector is fitted with a hush button to silence false alarms and a low volume test function that makes testing your alarms less obtrusive. The compact body of the alarm makes the Kidde 10Y29 less of an eyesore in rooms. The features and benefits include the following. It has a tamper-proof design for added security. It gives both audible and visual signals. It tests and reset feature for convenience. It has a bug screen to prevent the ingress of insects who may affect the sensor. It can be mounted in a wall or ceiling. And finally, it can be sealed in lithium battery supplied. The specifications include the following. The battery type is a 10-year sealed lithium. The dimensions are 45 by 104 mm. The operating temperature is 0 degrees to 40 degrees. The relative humidity goes up to 90%. The sound output is 85 decibels and the product weighs 0.20 kg. Kidde is one of the world's largest manufacturer of the fire safety products. Each day they work to expand upon a legacy of innovation, providing advanced solutions to protect both people and property from fire and related hazards.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.